In Premiere, there are many ways to increase the volume of a clip. One of the easiest and most effective methods is to first expand the audio track you are working on. A white bar should now display across your audio clip, and you can drag up this white bar to raise the volume of the whole clip as required. With your clip selected, you can also adjust this same volume via the volume control in the effects control panel. An alternative method is to right-click on your clip and select audio gain. A new window will appear. Here we're going to raise the overall volume of the clip by 6 decibels. If you have several clips in your timeline you want to increase the volume of, a useful method can be to first add the volume effect to one of your clips, increase the volume as necessary via the volume effect in the effect controls panel, and then right-click on your adjusted clip and select copy. Next, hold Shift and left-click on all the other clips that you wish to apply the effect to, right-click and select Paste Attributes. A new window will appear, and here make sure to only leave the volume tick box selected, otherwise you might copy unwanted effects onto the other clips, and then click OK. The adjusted volume effect will now be applied to all your other clips.